A carte de visite is a small photograph mounted on a piece of card. During the 19th century, they were used as calling cards by the middle and upper classes in paying social calls. Invented and patented in 1854 by French photographer André Adolphe Eugène Disdéry, they were introduced to Australia in 1859 by William Blackwood. Carte were usually portraits and were made by the millions worldwide. The Sydney Morning Herald of 1862 advertised carte de visite portraits, saying that you have the opportunity of distributing yourself among your friends and letting them see you in your favourite attitude and with your favourite expression. Sounds familiar, doesn't it?